Alright guys, this just came in today from CORE4X4. This is our rear lower and rear upper control arms and our new PANHARD bar. And this is how it looks like unboxing it. It comes with the stickers, CORE4X4. And these are the rear upper control arm, and this is the rear lower control arm. And as you guys could see here, it is fully adjustable. Right, and in this other box right here, we have ourselves our new PANHARD bar. Good morning guys, we just arrived here at Savant Auto Works. And these are all the rear, upper, and lower control arm and the PANHARD bar right there. So we'll be changing the rear, lower control arm, the rear, upper control arm. Not sure if you guys could see it. And then also the PANHARD bar. And we're also gonna get a height adjustment for the rear and finally get an alignment here at Savant Auto Works. We are back here at Savant Auto Works. Oh wow, look at this. Look how nice this looks. Nice, it matches our sphere. Cool. Oh wow, here's our PANHARD bar right there. And you could barely see the rear upper control arms, which is like up there. Nice. So they did an amazing job again. Everything now is even. Yeah. But we have to come back here for an alignment. Yes. Because they gotta
we need to settle it again. Thank you so much, Savant Auto Works, for
another amazing job.
Taking care of our Bronco.
Yeah, and a great price too. So these are rear, lower, rear, upper control arms right here. And our old PANHARD bar is right here. Wow, look at the difference on the thickness. I mean, this is still kind of thick, but it's actually lighter and thinner. It's actually thinner than our harness bar. Look at that. Wow, the comparison. So, these are rear lower control arms. These are the Johnny joints right there. And wow, look how thick this is. And then we're gonna go check out the PANHARD bar. The rear upper control arms, they're actually kind of hard to get to, but they're right there. And we just finished putting their CORE4X4 sticker. You don't have to put it, but you could put it if you wanted to. And this is our new PANHARD bar. And wow, look how thick this is versus our old ones.
So we are here in the park and we have our handy dandy ramp. So now he's gonna go and he's gonna go backwards so we can go on top of our ramp. Yep, you just go straight. Far, go. There, you're already going up. Whoa, hold on. Go, go, go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Stop. Yeah.
All right. So this is how with all of our stuff is.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really flexed.
Really flexy. Here, let's see if we could.
Nothing is getting anything.
No, nothing's hitting anything. Wow. Wow, one shot.
I know.
That was easy.
It didn't even struggle.
Nope.
The only thing is the ramp is struggling.
Oh, the ramp was struggling. Oh, crap.
A little bit. So that's why I'm like, wait.
The ramp was struggling, not the Bronco.
Wow, look at our radflo.
I know, it's
and all of our control arms.
It's really flexy.
And we're still... So we're doing a reverse. You're good. You just keep that straight. There. Few more. More. Stop.
All right, so we are trying it backwards now. Wow, this looks pretty badass backwards. Oh, wow, cool. All right, so the last time we did this, we were actually barely making it.
Yeah,
right?
The tire is kind of like still kind of up, but now if you see, there's a weight now in this tire.
Oh yeah, huh? And we're totally planted now.
Yeah.
So this rear lower control arms and the rear upper control arm, and also with our new radflo shocks, wow, it really just made it look like our 10-inch boulder ramp.
Yeah.
Huh. And then this is how it is in the front. There's our rock chalk right there. It's flexing. So this is how it is in the driver's side. It's just normal. It's the passenger side is the one that's flexing. All right, so I'm gonna walk this way. It's actually kind of sprinkling right now, but it's all good. We were thinking of airing down, but we didn't have to.
So there you have it, guys. It's flexy. Wow. You can see everything. So we are now going down.
Just 5 degrees. Was this horizontal? And for some reason, just 2 degrees off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, vertical.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Okay, nice and slow. Yeah, nice and slow. Just go straight, nice and slow. There.
We got this at Fresh Brothers. We got ourselves some pepperoni pizza. Yeah. And we also got some margarita pizza. Oh man, it's so good. All right, let's do this.